We bought this nursery so that we could provide for our customers and provide for this community a place of respite, a place that they can come and get premier plants at a good price, and also get educated and get a guide. We have garden coaches that will take care of their questions and answer, where should I put this, where should I put that? We have over 1,000 different plants available, and if we don't have it, a lot of times we can try and get it for the customer. We have selected the plants so that their greenscapes at home would be successful. You don't just come here to buy a plant and leave. You come and you get the ideas and you get the inspiration and you get the guidance that comes along with that plant so that you're successful, and when you're able to leave work or leave wherever you are and go home, you can really enjoy that space. And that's really our goal here at Twin Oaks Nursery.